The boat is going way too fast, which is a stimulus. So the hand pulls the brake, which means that the hand is the effector, which creates the boat to slow down, which is the response. On the other hand, if the boat is going way too slow, that's a stimulus. So the hand pulls the gas, so the hand is the effector, which creates the boat to go faster, which is the response. For negative feedback, if the boat is too hot, air conditioning is turned on, and if the boat is too cold, then the heat is turned on to make it back to normal. For positive feedback, the boat uses a horn to become attractive so that people can hear them, but it only lasts for a short period of time. The paint on the outside of the boat acts as melanin, which protects the boat from sun damage. Underneath the paint is iron, which acts as the epidermis because it keeps water outside of the boat, just like keratinocytes keep water outside of our bodies. Then it's a layer of concrete, which acts as a dermis, and it holds a base of bolts, just like our dermis holds our hair follicles. Then it's a layer of wood, which acts as a hypodermis because it keeps the heat inside of the boat. A missionary doctor is like a vaccine because he comes on board to warn the crew's workers about a possible invasion of pirates. The barnacles are like an allergen that attack the boat. The head of sanitation, which represents the mast cell, then releases histamine, which represents the custodians that clean the outside of the boat to attack the allergen. A dent in the boat is the boat's form of inflammation. Antigens are the barnacles, and antibodies are the custodians that help clean up. Pirates attacking the boat. Viruses that need to be killed. The T cells are the deck department, which is the captain, security, and officer. The head of security is like the helper T cells. He finds out about the infection just like how the helper T cells tell the body and release cytokines. The head of security then releases the security guards and tells the killer T cells or the officers to fight the infection. The captain is like the memory T cells. He remembers the stranded pirates so they can fight them off faster and more efficient next time they attack. The B cells are like the engine department, which are the engineers, plumbers, electrician, and motormen. The head engineer is like the memory B cells because they remember the strain of pirates. The plasma B cells are like the workers from the engine department because they go out and release antibodies to help kill the infection. The food boat brings food onto the ship just like food is brought into cells, which is endocytosis. The meat is the ribosomes, and the meat station is the endoplasmic reticulum. The vegetable station, where vegetables are put into the takeout boxes, which are sent out to the people, is like the Golgi apparatus. Lysosome is like a toilet because it digests the unwanted waste. Janitors are like the macrophage because they eat the bacteria at site of infection. The captain alerting his crew of the type of pirate is like the MHC protein, which alerts the body. A pathogen is a foreign particle in the body, just like the pirates in the boat. The red blood cells are the people on the boat.
Shoes off, let your head out. All night long. Pull your beard out, just weird out. All night long. We're gonna rock this house until we knock it down. So